My name is Bhavish Lohar and I welcome you on my YouTube channel Quest Achiever. So, we are continuing the same topic, profit and loss. So, I took the second question of this topic. Okay, so I covered the first question and some basics of profit and loss in the previous class. So, let's solve this question. This is also a GATE question, okay, that appeared in 2018. Okay, let's start. So what you see, whenever you see a question, just read once what you can infer from this question, just note it down. Okay, then you proceed with the solution. Okay, so first, a fruit seller sold a basket, okay, basket at 12.5% loss. In first case, he lost by 12.5%. okay, so had he sold it for rupees 108 more, he would gain a 10%. okay, 10% का उसको गेन मिल जाता अगर उसने 108 रुपीज़ मोर का बेचा होता तो. नाउ ही सोल्ड सम, सपोज किसी भी प्राइस से बेचा हो, बट ही इज़ गेटिंग लॉस. एंड बट इन सेकेंड केस ही इज़ टेलिंग दैट अगर मैं 108 रुपया ज़्यादा बेच दूँ, मीन्स सपोज माई वैल्यू ऑफ सेलिंग प्राइस इज एक्स and I am selling it to 108 more, then he would gain a 10%. So what is the loss rupees incurred by the fruit seller? So they are asking basically, he got lost, okay, he got loss and while selling, so he want a rupees, मतलब कितना rupees का उसको loss हुआ था. So let's start with this. So you already know that selling price का formula 100 minus L this of cost price. Even you can write this, you all know, right? Now we know this 12.5% दिया. So whenever see, I already in my percentage class I already note down that this means that in fraction I can say this is 1 by 8. okay, so no need to go by putting 12.5 and again you need to divide. Don't go with this, just use this. okay, 1 by 8. 12.5 corresponds to 1 by 8. okay, in percentage fraction form. So he got a loss of this much. So how I can write 7 by 8 times of cost price. अगर ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो मैं पूरा करके दिखा सकता हूँ. सेम यू विल गेट बेसिकली 12.5%. ओके, you just need to difference of 12.5 इसमें से माइनस करना है, then you will get some values and by dividing जो भी नंबर आएगा डिवाइड बाय 100 करेंगे, you will get 7 by 8 only. okay, this is the fastest method, means 7 by 8. whenever you get a loss then one less, whenever you get basically profit some one more. सपोज आई एम गेटिंग 12%, मतलब मेरा प्रॉफिट बताया रहता, तो वॉट हाउ आई कैन राइट 9 by 8, वन मोर वन लेस. clear? If this is the case of profit, but here we are getting loss. clear? This is market 1. ठीक है. now had he sold it for rupees 108 more, he would have a made of 10% gain. so what basically selling price जो before पहले थी 108 ज़्यादा होता, then he would gain of 10%. again you can write 10 plus 10, but how I can write in fraction form, this one more, right, then the cost price. see, whenever in gaining and losing, the cost price will remain same, only the selling price is different. because when see, मैंने जो खरीदा है वो तो सेम ही रहने वाला है, वो क्या बाद में थोड़ी बदलने वाला है. clear? only the selling price will same change, because I can sell to 10% profit, 20% profit. okay, selling price will change but the cost price will remain same, because मैं बाद में वापस चेंज नहीं कर सकता. भाई तुमने मुझे इतने का दिया था तो अभी तुम थोड़ा चेंज करो, ऐसा नहीं. So only the selling price will change, cost price will remain same till the end of the question. clear? now what you need to do, basically you know that selling price is equals to this, so you can take, I think you सब ये तो solve कर सकते because एक value पता है. see, 2 equation and 2 values easily you can solve. okay, अगर 1 equation होता है and 2 values then it is difficult, right? you all know, like you all are engineer. so 7 by 8 CP plus 108 11/10 दिस। अब इन दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं, 108 11 यहाँ पे मैं साइड में कर लेता हूँ तो यूँ नीचे नहीं जाए। सो 108 CP विल बिकम कॉमन एंड क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके जैसे भी तुम्हारा इजी लगे तुमको 80 क्लियर। 11 8s are 70 एंड देन द डिफरेंस सेम 108 इंटू 80, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना आएगा 81। दैट इज कॉल्ड एज दिस सेलिंग प्राइस। कॉस्ट प्राइस आ गया। नाउ यू जस्ट नीड टू सी दैट ये 18 के टेबल में जाता है कि नहीं जाता है, यू जस्ट चेक। 18 5 90 होता है तो ये तो नहीं जाएगा, ये वाला जाएगा। 18 1 18 8 18 6 18 इंटू 6 इज लाइक 410 क्लियर। नाउ द what is this cost price will become 480 rupees. Okay, now my the cost price is this. Now the selling price is 7/8 from 1. ठीक है, तो selling price is 7/8 times of 480, right? So 7 into 60, which is equals to 420 rupees. So obviously this cost price is more than selling price, so obviously you will get a loss. You will get a loss. So loss is basically, I already wrote that cost price minus selling price. So कितने का लॉस हुआ 480 minus 420, which will give you 60 rupees का loss. They already asked that what is the loss in rupees. They are not asking in percentage. They are not asking in percentage. They are asking what is the loss in rupees incurred by the fruit seller. So they are asking that. So basically we got, what is the value of this? We got basically 60 rupees. Clear? This is your answer. See, understand the question first and then go with the solution part. This is really simple, but only you need to understand. See, many times you need to do a practice also, because this is like straightforward तो किसी को आंसर नहीं मिलता. You just go on with the many questions. Definitely you will hands on this topic. Okay, so this is really important topic for any competitive exam. So practice more. Till then, thank you so much. Okay.